Easy steps in English. Start speaking right now. Hello, this is Alena Ermolina and thank you for watching this video. This is my first Easy Steps in English video and today we're going to speak about films. So, step 1. Let's answer the question. Вы любите смотреть кино? Let's try to ask this question in English. So, to say it in English, we need the present simple tense because we speak about feelings. Such verbs as like, hate, love normally are used with the present simple. So, to make the question in English, you should remember how to place words into the sentence. So, the first place is for auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb – вспомогательный глагол. Then goes subject. Subject – подлежащее. Then predicate – сказуемое. And at the end of the sentence, other words. Другие слова, other words. So, and also you should remember that to make the question in English, you should know the auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb for present simple is the verb to do. So now we are ready to ask the question in English. So, look at the sentence and let's try to make the question word by word. The first is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb in present simple is do. Then follows subject. Ты, you. So, do you. Then predicate. Любишь смотреть. Like watching. And then follows other words, films. So, do you like watching films? Do you like watching films? Do you like watching films? Repeat them, please. Now we are ready to answer this question. So, do you like watching films? There are two variants to answer. The first variant is yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, then I, subject, and then auxiliary verb, вспомогательный глагол, do. Yes, I do. I like watching films. I, subject, like watching, predicate, and films, other words, other word. And the next variant. Do you like watching films? No, I don't. No. Then subject, I, then auxiliary verb, do, and then negotiation, not. No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't like watching films. So, I, subject, do, auxiliary verb, not, negotiation, отрицание, like watching, predicate, and films, other words. So, do you like watching films? Yes, I do. I like watching films. Do you like watching films? No, I don't. I don't like watching films. Please don't forget to repeat all the sentences. Now, step 2. Listen and repeat the words. Film, movie, cinema, watch, watch films, watch movies, watch films on TV, watch films downloaded onto the PC, watch films at the cinema, prefer. Again, film, movie, cinema, watch, watch films, watch movies, watch films on TV, watch films downloaded onto the PC, watch films at the cinema, prefer. Please repeat these words. Repeat them after me as many times as you need. Now you are ready to answer the next question. Как ты предпочитаешь смотреть фильмы? But before we answer the question, let's ask this question in English. So, are you ready? So, to ask the question in English, you should know that if the word is if the word starts with a question word, you should place it on the first place. So, question word. Then goes auxiliary verb. After that, subject, predicate, and other words. So, question word, вопросительное слово, auxiliary verb, вспомогательный глагол, subject, подлежащее, predicate, сказуемое, other words, другие любые слова. Now let's have a look now let's make a question. Question word, how, как, how. Then auxiliary verb, this is present simple, so do. How do. Then subject, ты, you. How do you? Then goes predicate, prefer to watch, prefer to watch. How do you prefer to watch, and other words, movies? How do you prefer to watch movies? How do you prefer to watch movies? Repeat the question several times. A few words about the verb prefer. So you may say, I prefer to watch films on TV, or I prefer watching films on TV. Prefer to watch, prefer watching. There is no difference. Both variants are correct. Оба варианта правильные, можно сказать и так, и так. But if you want to say, я предпочитаю смотреть фильмы в кинотеатре больше, чем по телевизору, тогда следуйте следующей схеме. I prefer to watch movies at the cinema rather than watch movies on TV. I prefer to watch movies at the cinema rather than, больше чем, rather than watch movies on TV. So here at the first part, you should say prefer to. And at the second part of the sentence, you may use the verb watch, for example, without to. So you don't need to say then to watch. No, just then watch. Or also you may omit, опустить. You may omit this verb. I prefer to watch movies at the cinema rather than movies on TV. That's it. Step 3. Now, I think you are ready to answer the questions. So, answer please. Do you like watching films? How do you prefer to watch movies? And the last step, step number 4, speaking. Please say a few words about today's lesson. Say, for example, I like watching movies. I prefer to watch movies on TV. Now it's your turn. What about you? Write please your answers. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to share it with your friends if you like it. And I hope that my first video won't be my last video. See you next video. Goodbye.